Hi students, parents of students, friends, families, internet at large. It's Miss Silva. I am going to be walking you through making some found object mandalas. Everything in this video you should be able to find in your house or something that is kind of similar. It doesn't have to be exactly what I'm using at all. I hope you'll follow along. And if you do this project, please snap a picture and share it with me. What even is a mandala? A mandala is a circular geometric design that's used to express different patterns and different motifs. They've been used in all different kinds of cultures for a variety of reasons. Today we're just going to be making ours to be creative, and we're going to be using household items. Alright, your mandala can use anything that you have at home. For example, bag of string, gardening tools, regular tools, old bike chain, business cards, paintbrushes, colored pencils, art cards, colorful doodads, knitting needles, plants from the yard. I think that's it. Whatever else you can find. You make your mandala out of whatever you have in your yard, in your home, in your kitchen. Don't steal all the utensils from the drawer, though. That would be quite rude. All right, let's find out what happens next. So to get started, I'm going to pick a central point right in the smack middle of my mandala, and I'm actually going to use this outside succulent for it.